Hi there, students. I had a question from Henry about what's the difference between to mar, to spoil, and to ruin. Okay, well, I think the difference is the extent of the damage. I think if you mar something, you make it less good. You make it less enjoyable. So the picnic was fun, but what marred the picnic was the cold weather. Okay, it didn't spoil it completely. It didn't absolutely ruin it, but it was just a bad mark against it. The blemish in this beautiful clean wall mars its perfection. Okay, so it doesn't spoil it completely. To spoil, either to make something less good, to make something less enjoyable, or to stop it completely from being enjoyable. So, for example, I don't want this oil spill to completely spoil the whole area. Yeah. I could say the rain marred the picnic, the rain spoiled the picnic. I think spoil is a bit stronger, and spoil either reduce the pleasure, the interest, the beauty of something, or to destroy it completely. And then let's get on to ruin. Ruin has this idea of make completely unserviceable, to spoil completely. Yeah, to mar completely, to destroy something completely. So this urban development has completely ruined what was once a beautiful forest. He ruined his chances by making a silly mistake. So he marred them, decreased a bit. He spoiled them, decreased quite a lot. He ruined them completely. And that's the difference. In all of these questions, something mars something else. Yeah, the noise marred the tranquility. The problem spoiled the day. The shouting ruined the concert. Okay, so all in those orders, or with that syntax. Let's see. Formality. I think to mar, I would give a 6 or a 6.5 in formality. Let's say 6, and I think you could use it anywhere, even in a very formal document. And to spoil and to ruin, 5 in formality, use them absolutely anywhere. Mar comes from Proto-Germanic marjana, to disturb or to hinder. To spoil comes from Latin spoliare, to pillage, to ruin or to spoil. And then finally to ruin comes from Latin ruina, overthrow or ruin, from ruo, to fall down, to tumble down. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.